Hi there. In this video, we are going to discuss how to train a linear regression model. And the steps are very similar to the model we trained in previous section about the nearest neighbors. So the first two lines, this cell is responsible for the imports that we need. Pandas for loading the data and linear regression for training the model. And the second line of code, here we are the lines with hashtag in very beginning are not part of code. These are placed for the instruction, like loading the dataset, and in the very next line, I'm loading the dataset. So the second line of code basically in which data is equal to pd dot read excel and then the path of dataset that is responsible for loading the dataset. The very second line of code about the features is responsible for specifying the features, and here I am specifying the features as first three columns, and this is the exactly same code we used previously. After that, I'm specifying the labels and multiplying it by 100 the way we did in the previous section. And the reason why we done this is to convert the point values into exact percentage. Like 0.61 is converted into 61 after this step. It is just to make everything clear, make the predictions clear. Okay, now the next line of code, it is only a single line in this cell. Model is equal to linear regression and open and close brackets. This is how we define our model. And the same way we defined our model in the previous section about k nearest neighbors. This is how we define our linear regression model. To fit a model, we pass features as our first parameter and the labels as our second parameter. And as our labels are stored in the variable final label, that's why I am passing that variable in our second argument. Whatever variable you have made, you can name that variable anything. You can name that variable Ali or your name or X or Y or something like that. For my case, I have created variables as features and final labels, and that's how we fit our model. After running this, we have trained our model. Now, in the next sections, we will be having predictions.